Take command of the road in the 2015 Nissan Rogue. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, blind spot sensor, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.